Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this which Disney mood are you filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Anthony is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He is having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter Disney mood. Tap on it and you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. That's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.